You're probably shampooing wrong, and it's quietly killing your hair. Everyone wants thicker, healthier hair, but most guys don't realize how fast they're destroying it. Sweat, stress, bad routines. They show up first on your head. Your hair is your first impression. Let's fix it with 5 science-backed steps that every man can follow starting today. Step 1. Cleansing. Scalp Health 101. Healthy hair starts with a clean scalp. Oil, dust, and sweat choke the follicles that feed growth. Use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo and massage your scalp, not your strands, for 1 to 2 minutes. Cold or normal water only. Hot water burns natural oils and weakens roots. Clean scalp, strong base, simple discipline. Step 2. Moisture and protection. Hydration routine. Shampoo cleans, but it also strips moisture. Restore it with a light conditioner or leave-in serum applied only to the strands. If your hair feels rough or frizzy, this step is non-negotiable. Hydration isn't a luxury, it's maintenance. Step 3. Scalp and root stimulation, circulation habit. This is the secret pros don't skip. 2 minutes of scalp massage boosts blood flow and nutrient delivery. Do it with your fingertips or a massage brush, before bed or after shower. It relaxes the mind and strengthens the roots. Train your scalp the way you train your body. If you're still watching, you actually care about improving yourself. So pay attention to this next part because it's the most overlooked. Step 4. Styling and protection, modern mistakes men make. Heat, sun, and product buildup silently kill good hair. Always use a heat protect spray in cool air settings. Never sleep with wax, gel, or spray in your hair. They clog pores overnight. UV light, use a cap or UV shield serum. How you style decides how long your style lasts. Step 5. Nutrition and lifestyle. Inside-out growth. Hair is made of protein. Feed it. Eggs, lentils, chicken, soy, nuts, and seeds build keratin. Drink enough water and manage stress. Cortisol causes shedding faster than age does. Good sleep, clean food, steady mind. Your hair follows your habits. Hair care isn't vanity. It's self-respect. Small daily actions compound into confidence. Wash with intent. Hydrate with care. Massage with focus. Eat like your hair depends on it. And because it does, consistency builds confidence. And that's the best thing a man can wear. If this helped you, save the video and start your 30-day hair discipline. Subscribe to Apex Routine for more science-backed habits that upgrade your look and your life.